Sawadika. So last night was a bit hectic, but today is a new day. So we're gonna start fresh by having a breakfast. So I can't wait to try. It's our first official day in Pattaya. So I can't wait to explore the food and everything else. You got the keys? Okay. All you can hear is my sandals making noise. Ah. Thank you.
Good morning. Sawadika.
Pineapple juice, please.
Can I get orange juice, please?
So we're gonna get breakfast today. So excited! Can't wait to eat. Here's our little view. Thank you.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you.
Do you need two?
No, you're gonna get one. But you got your what open it.
I mean that was now on the face, isn't it?
Yeah.
Set B.
Oh, you get both the set. Oh, I thought you get to choose one set.
One set?
No, I thought that's what we get because the lady at the reception said that two set, just in case one didn't have one. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. Guys, we messed up again. Start of the day. So last night at the reception, we got told that there was a set menu for breakfast, but you can choose one of them, but just two as an option, just in case one of the others is not available. We didn't realise that when we chose two, they actually make two breakfast. So now we have enough breakfast for 4 people. There's only 2 of us.
Yeah, there's only 2 of us. So.
Look at these beautiful food though. Got pancake with ham and cheese. Some congee with hot floss. And you got the Japanese style sandwich.
Yeah.
Alright, let's not waste any more time in the feast this. Oh, just go straight there. Morning. Sorry, could we get one of those?
The number.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll wait for the day.
Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Kazunka. Ooh, so exciting. Oh, this is so much fun. And we're home. Oh, I was gonna get off. Oh, that's nice. Look, that's cute.
No, you can get off.
Oh. Park in the corner, I'd say. Open. Oh.
There you go.
Alright, let's get ready. Home sweet home. Beautiful. Doesn't feel real, all of this. Right, we're getting ready to go to the beach. I was gonna wear these, but I don't want to get a dodgy tan, so I'm gonna wear this in the evening and then just have something at night. But just so you can see my outfit again. That's that. Nice and easy. And I have got my bikini underneath, like I said earlier. so it's easy to get into the water. Bear in mind I can't swim, so we'll see if I do get in the water. I might just dip in my toes. But yeah, I'm excited to go to 7-Eleven and just exploring about today.
Let me just ask. Oh, the same guy from yesterday. Hiya, Swadika. You okay? Thank you so much. So yesterday, this is the electric bike thing. We're gonna go out now, but we're gonna use it later on. So where should we park it? Oh no, you know this red thing there? That one.
I love that. It was so much fun. Definitely will do it again. Going to the beach now.
Finally getting ourselves to the beach because apparently tomorrow we might have some rain. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, yeah, it's okay. We will find the way, don't worry. I don't want to give you trouble. Thank you so much. Golden Cup. You too, thank you. Yeah, now Villa to the beach. That was what, 98 baht?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't long at all. It's about 10 minutes drive. But we're here, Pattaya Beach.
Yeah.
Walking around with no data.
Not fun.
Yeah, that's great. Let's see if we can find one on the main strip. I think we do need to go to like the smaller road though. So I don't think they would have one here on the main street. Tourist SIM card, please.
Tourist SIM card. I have a 3 of these. 8 day, 15 day, 1 month, and this promotion. Do you want to put SIM card right now?
He's on TikTok, isn't it? I'll probably get a fizzy. Best of them. I'll take this one. I love these savory snacks.
Oh yeah.
Bento. Hey. Thank you.
I'm trying to do video.
Do TikTok?
Yeah. It is so hot. Literally, my forehead is burning. But it's all good. Look at the scenery though. It's so beautiful. Hot babe? Oh look, there's a massive 7-Eleven now.
Another one. Careful.
I don't know.
I'm not gonna hold it. Yeah.
You want a small chair or the big chair?
Which one is small and which one's
This
big?
one is small, that one is big.
Yeah. How much is it?
The big one is 100 baht each for daily. The small one is 50 baht for daily.
Oh, could you get a big one,
Big
please?
one, please.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can like take a break, go central, come back, no problem.
Oh,
Pay
all
only
day?
one time.
Oh, amazing! Thank you so much. So, guys, credit to my wife. We had to go run back to the shop to get a towel because someone is out there.
It's nice though.
Yes, of course it is. Yeah, someone forgot our beach towels at the hotel. So yeah, it's all good.
If you're interested, what it is. Here it is.
Anyways, we got some snack from 7-Eleven.
So we have an orange one and we have the strawberry Fanta, which is very nice. So that's Dusty's
That's how I think.
and that's my one. And
So-
I love my sweet.
Anything but savouries, that's me. And Mon just love her sweet stuff. So, got some cuttlefish with sweet chili sauce. Fish roll. Saw it on TikTok. Someone's eating it. It's like, gotta try it. Let's see how it goes.
That's your one.
Shredded pork with roasted chili paste bun. Interesting.
This is not mine, but
Oh, yeah. I mean, classic. Can't go wrong. Gotta have some of that.
and we've got spicy lobster low. And then this is strawberry muffin.
And look at this. We didn't even realise what it was when we bought it. It looks nice.
Condensed milk in it.
But it is a crackers with condensed milk flavoured.
Can't wait to try that.
Oh,
It's
man.
nice.
Yeah.
And then I've got this.
Anyways, we'll see you guys in a sec. Oh, quick, this is our view. That's our view, it's right there. It is so hot today. It's warm. The reason why we've gone to the beach straight away as well, because we checked the weather forecast and tomorrow
It's gonna be raining.
this thing's gonna be raining. But yeah, it's gonna be raining tomorrow, so we thought I might as well go straight to the beach, enjoy a bit of the sun, get some tan in. Yeah, catch you guys soon. We're probably gonna be chill here for a couple of hours, but the plan for today, we're gonna go to night market later. Yeah, probably go night
Hopefully
market
we
later.
can squeeze in too. That'll
Yeah.
be good.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll catch you guys soon later on today. So we got could I get one coconut?
The seat
Yeah.
include together.
Yeah, please.
So 280.
20. Perfect. Thank
เดี๋ยว
you.
นะเผื่อแกอยากถ่ายวิดีโอ
Yeah, look what we got ourselves. Some coconut. Thank you. Coconut. Oh. Thank you. You go down there. What? What time is it now? 3:10. Wow, we've been there for like 3 hours.
I've been sleeping this whole time.
Mate, couldn't ask for better days, man.
I had my crackers and then I went to sleep. So now I'm happy. I'm easily pleased, aren't I? I was looking at that.
What's that? Oh, that's a lagoon, no?
That's what I was thinking.
Oh. Labubu. Myanmar doesn't really understand the hype of the Labubu, but it seems like everyone here has one at least. So
Maybe
if you can tell us,
educate us.
yes please. Hello, see? Need to go inside. We just randomly found this mall.
Yeah.
It's so hot outside. So.
Okay. Yeah.
Cute. Do you want?
Yeah. Oh, can I try? Yeah.
Someone getting excited now. Have fun.
Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Oh, yay. So excited. Got the girl.
Another day, another boat. How's your morning been?
Good.
Very much a chill morning. I know it's our first day, but the jet lag is real.
Yeah.
down now, and then in a couple of hours we'll be out again.
Yeah, because it's food time soon.
Yeah, I don't feel like we've eaten enough today though.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, well I had the big breakfast and then some snacks 7-Eleven. Need to eat more, slacking.
Drink a lot as well.
I know, how bad? Not good. Anyways, we've got time to catch up. Shall do that soon.
See you in a bit.
Back to the hotel, collecting our whip. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kong Cup.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Wish me luck.
You're a good driver.
Sure you are.
Should I go that way?
No, go straight. Actually, yeah. Might as well just drive around. Day 2.
Day 2. Still creating problems. Ay. Got into that accident, not me.
Basically, I turn around the corner a bit too tight and then scratch one of the bike. Oh
Yeah.
dear. Yeah, are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Oh,
Yeah?
yeah.
I'm so sorry.
So sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Go again. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh my days.
Take time on this bit, please.
I'm gonna blame it.
It's not me. I'm an excellent driver. Because my driving skills is in print.
Oh yeah.
It was definitely not me. So off camera, I'm saying my story. I turned too quick in this bit here. This bit here I turned really fast and I got scared and I continued going straight. So then I got him to take over and then he crashed on the curb bit. But apart from that, I was really good. I just didn't slow down when I should have. That's it. But it's okay. I didn't scratch anything. In my boot. Yeah, good.
This is the aftermath. It's okay. At least we are safe. That's what is matter.
Yeah. Try and put the blame on me.
Well, luckily we're not on actual road. This is just inside the villa.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm not qualified to be outside the road.
Oh, it's clean already.
Is it?
Yeah. Is it?
Oh yeah.
Well, I guess we can do a proper room tour now.
Yeah, I actually tried it.
Right, let's show you. So, this is the bathroom. Nice and big. Ignore the stuff on the side if you can see it. And then you got your fridge, your microwave here, and safe. Lovely mirror. And then look how nice the bed is. It's massive. This is the bed that I want home. And then our pool, we're gonna chill out for now and probably get in the pool because I haven't been in it just yet. We went to 7-Eleven and we bought some snacks, so we're probably gonna just chill and then we'll head out. Where are we going later on, babe? Going to the night bazaar. And yeah.